Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys an essential basic nail. We're doing milky white nails, and for this video, I'm going to be using my round extra short soft gel full nail covers. So these are available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and I'll be sure to have the link down below. But as you can see here, all I'm doing is going in and sizing them out and just making sure that they fit my nails wall to wall. So we're going to be using alcohol as my adhesion slip solution, and we're going to be using Polygel for this video. This is why I really love Polygel, because it's kind of like a two-in-one. You can just go in, use it as your like adhesion to apply the nail tips, and it's also like a nail polish in one, so you just skip that step of like applying a layer of polish on. It just makes everything like smooth and like even as well. So I really love Polygel, and this one is by I believe this one is by Beetles. I have a few Milky Polygels, and this one is definitely my favorite. But yeah, all I'm doing is going in, applying that to my nail, and then making sure that it's fully covering the sides. So you'll see towards the end of the video, there are some spots on nails, I think like two of the nails, that were kind of a little bit thinner than the rest. And when I say thinner, it's like you can kind of see the transparency. So when you are doing these, you just want to make sure that you apply a nice thicker even layer of color, and when you apply the nail, if you realize like, okay, it's kind of a little thin area right here, you might just want to apply a little more Polygel. So it is a labor of love when doing these nails. It doesn't take long, but you do just have to be conscious of that. And if by any chance you do end up like me and there are a few spots that you may have missed, you can always go in with a milky white polish and do a layer of it over top just to kind of make it all one. But if you do it right the first time and not rush like I was doing here in the video, then you'll be good. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. This is super easy. You do want to make sure that you're flattening the underside of your nails as well. And the only thing with Polygel is sometimes if your Polygel is a little bit more looser, then when you apply it to your nail, it can kind of start to lift a bit. And that's another thing you want to watch out for. They do have clamps where you could clamp it and push your nail in the lamp. I just honestly hold it down with my finger and put my hand in the lamp and then go in and cure. You can use like a mini lamp for that if it's even easier for you. That's kind of like open, where you could do one nail at a time instead of putting like your whole hand and trying to fit two hands in a lamp, if you know what I mean. So it might be beneficial to purchase in one of those mini lamps that are like for single fingers, not like the small little ones that like have two legs, if you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I'm just rambling. How's y'all day going? Today, I'm feeling under the weather. I feel like everyone I know is coming down with something and sick, so I'm wishing everyone health and hoping that everyone is doing okay, hoping your families are healthy, because I don't know what's going around, but something is going around. So make sure y'all wash your hands. All right, so I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch me work, and then we can get into the next part. So here's what the final nails are looking like. As you can see, it's kind of opaque in like certain areas, as you can see. So that's why I mentioned you just want to look out for that. But yeah, all I'm doing now is going in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and wiping my nails down before we begin filing. This is super important just because polygel can kind of leave behind like a sticky residue. So you do want to make sure that you clear that off. And to file, I'm using this 80/80 grit file that I purchased from Amazon, and these are linked down below in my description. They are in my Amazon storefront as well. I absolutely love these nail files, and once you try an 80/80 grit, you'll like never go back. They're amazing. They last longer. They don't dull as fast. So I definitely recommend giving them a try. I got a pack of like 50 of them like 2 years ago, and I haven't even maybe got through half of the pack yet, and I got the pack for like 10 bucks. Insanely cheap. So the link to that will be down below. As an additional measure, I'm going in with a ballpoint drill bit, electric drill bit, and I'm just really going in and making sure that my cuticles are fully blended. This is something that I definitely love to do when doing polygel nails, just because sometimes that polygel can seep on like around the cuticles and around your skin that you may not see. And this just helps clean them up and really help the nails blend in with the cuticles, so it makes it look like a fresh acrylic set, like you're walking fresh out of a nail salon. But now I'm just going to go in, dust away and wipe away any of that extra debris. And at this point, we are going to go in with a top coat. But like I said, if you cured your nails and you realize that you have some opaque areas like I did, then you can just go in first with a milky white polish and apply it over top of your nail. One of my favorites is by the brand Milky, and it's on Amazon. I'll leave a link to it down below. But like you can see my middle finger, like you can kind of see that line of discrepancy between the nail and my finger. It's just because I didn't put enough polygel. Like I said, I was rushing, so don't rush, do it the right way. But if you happen to mess up like me, no worries at all. You can just go in with a milky white milky white nail polish, gel polish on top, and cure, and then apply your top coat. And by the way, this top coat is by Model Ones, also available on Amazon. So you can see here I'm just going in and I'm swiping the sides of my nails. This is just to help my nails stay snatched. Sometimes if you don't do this little swipe trick, it can make your nails look bulky. So I just like to take that to remove the side bulk because it's not necessary. Last and final step, cuticle oil, my favorite part. You definitely want to make sure that you're investing in an ultra hydrating cuticle oil. This one was available for purchase in my Etsy, but I'm currently sold out. We will be restocking soon. But here's the final nail look. It's a super easy design, and I absolutely love this polygel. If you guys enjoyed, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. I hope all is well. I hope everyone out there is staying safe and healthy. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.